Hey guys, today we're back for another video. Bit of a strange video really. It's a mini unboxing of SuperThings and Piratix. The reason I'm doing this, my Piratix Wild Kingdom stuff was supposed to arrive today, but it didn't. Hopefully it does in the next few days. So yeah, for now we're just gonna do this. So you can see we've got three SuperThings Kazoom Power Battle. Oh, there's my cat. How delightful. SuperThings Kazoom Power Battle 2 packs, a Piratix Shark Treasure 1 pack, which I believe is Big Jaws, and a Piratix Crazy Jungle 4 pack. So without further ado, let's get into it. Now, this might be a bit of a challenge to do one-handed, but I'm going to have to see. So they have got Kazoom Power Battle 2 packs in the UK, 1 hero, 1 villain, like the original 2 packs. And they pretty much similar to packages to the 1 packs on the side. Which rivals will you find? A plus collect www.magicboxint.com. Legal rubbish and QR code. So without further ado, what are you doing, cat? Without further ado, let's open this. So the reason I'm doing this facing down is at the request of Vision. They gave me this idea and thought let's try it out for a weird video like this. Right. Now yeah, these were all free from the front of the box because I found they tend to be like contain rarer stuff for some reason. They haven't sold any, so we've got the first 3. Let's see if we got Smelvolous, but this is a new colour. I only have Smelvolous in green, so that's nice. Oh, and it's another rival, so Stinkator. Wait, so are you guaranteed to get rivals? Oh, that could be interesting. Let's see. Let's open one more. I'll save the other one for a bit later. But if you're guaranteed to get rivals, that is very interesting. Also, because surely that means you can't get Enigma. Oh, yeah. So we got Slip Slide and, what's your name? So you guaranteed to get rivals. So if you get 1 silver, you get 2 silvers. Oh, that's interesting. You know, interestingly, they don't advertise that you can get Enigma on this. I don't think you can get ultra rares in those. That's very interesting. They've never done that before. Right, let's see if I can prop the camera up. Let's see if we can open this one-handed. Oh, actually, I might just have to tear it open. Right. Yeah, I felt this. I'm pretty sure it's Big Jaws, so I've got quite a few Big Jaws, but we will not to get it. Let's see. Yes, Big Jaws. Very nice. Right, now, Crazy Jungle 4-pack. This was one of the 4 packs I didn't get because it was out of stock at the time of me getting them. In terms of Captain Kaizo's Captain Pack, which I still haven't got, actually. Still haven't got Kaizo. Or I think there's one other person in there that I need. In terms of that, I'm waiting to get it here. I don't think I'll order it online. It just seems like an unnecessary faff, frankly. Okay, this is going to be a challenge. Oh, let me just see if I can get this open. Because there's no chance I could do this one-handed. There's just no way. Oh dear, we are really destroying this. Right, sorry about that, everyone. So we've got Bungabam, that completes the tribal crew for me then. Herman Tiss and Ace Ball. Where is your accessory? Ah, here it is. Yep, good. And then the surprise character, is, doubt it'll be in the, I think it's random, is Will Forrester. That's like my 3rd Will Forrester. Right, so, we'll open that one. Right, final thing then. Let's see who we get. Oh, come on. Behave. There we go. Tell them to behave, or if they won't. Oh, so we've got, Mighty Moo and, Cerealiac. Very nice. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. Well, it's a bit strange, but wasn't really planned. But yes, I shall see you in the next one, so bye, guys!